Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa PTAA Travel Expo. Ah,
Ito yung travel expo na inaabangan talaga namin every year kasi maraming exhibitors dito. From today, February 6 hanggang February 8 to, dito sa SMX Convention Center. Admission ticket is 100 pesos and for senior and PWD, 80 pesos lang. But kung meron kayong BPI credit card, pwede kayong mag-redeem ng ticket for free. So, if you're planning to travel this year, ito na ang sign mo to visit this travel expo. Meron dito mga airline deals, hotel and resort promos, cruise packages, tour package from travel agencies, travel insurance, luggage discount, at marami pang iba. Meron din dito mga international booths like Taiwan, Japan, Korea, and Hong Kong. And hindi talaga kayo mababore dito kasi maraming mga activities na pwedeng magawa. Tulad dito sa Hong Kong booth na may pag-games at super enjoy si ate. And dito naman sa KTO, merong free caricature, photo op while wearing the hanbok, and tinry ko din tong color analysis. Marami din mga freebies yung mga booth dito and may mga raffle din and program kaya sulit na sulit. So kung wala pa kayong plan ngayong weekend, visit PTAA Travel Tour Expo at SMX Convention Center.
Bye, Mom!